ena uguso ehwere kase na ne brason say ye de ebrewo na nsam no ne yetodwa omu bi ya wo betini abetodwa say basic schools se de wo mo de bosiabo ena ehwe school no ye de mu nsam no ebebremo na fe yakọ school placement system no bra so for ko honom ne ekoso ho sansam no ne nsem bi na no pa me de bra so Adom TV Badwam kase wo Facebook/Adom TV kase no ho ena Go TV channel 176 DSTV channel 280 midi ade afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de kwan sutie nsam no enchiremu no ankasa. President at the Conference of Heads of Basic School, Ado Nicholas Nikpapo, at the summer to judge Musa Nadia, Akandufua, Wamoda Basic Schools, a Hodwanono, Bosnia Bo, and Wamuankasa Bottom Sika, and a Wamude ACC School, officer Captation Grantano, and Yadia Sawan Saka, was here near Kradi, and Yakura, on Adom TV, Kase, Edin Komwe.
Captation grant are in arrears for close to over 2 years.
Sikano swa, and no swa, and ma. Iswa emma adentina so maye ho sa
the bomb pie say abindi na ne behwe basic schools no, because this is the foundation of education.
Basic schools are emofrey ebewie no akonto aso school no so egu isanse capitation grant anase sika wode be masuku mpanifo no wode asiesie school hi emma woko school dan ya emofra etimu no a ebi wo hono a epono ni ho empoma ededa suku yi mu nyina so atutu edan yi wa ye basa na nso eho en wotete adesuafo a wo mu beko entoaso suku edienti en empoma ene pono ededa suku dan yi nyina ano atutu esanse capitation grant yi ementi suku no ni sika wode be yensiesie bia saa na wokote gare any Yesu Krom DA Primary, Fantra Line DA Primary and JHS, and Zeman Kwanta MA Primary and JHS, any Tikobo DA Primary, Yanin Yawo Atoyeti Fimantemua, Suku Dino.
And then you make us say also for ya or Shang Womasia so Dr. Yao or Seduchum, about Proco School Placement System Center ho, Equaco Hernia Mahudo ya Ecoso, Yoko in your tea, Adom TV Cassie, et also.
You are speaking with the Minister for Education this morning.
I'm blessed, honorable.
You are blessed. I'm also blessed speaking with you. What issue do you have, sir?
Unfortunately, she was placed in Odogono as a day student.
Oh, you are from the Volta region. What town in the Volta region, please? Are you at home and your child has been placed at Odogono as a day student?
Yes, please.
So obviously you need a boarding status, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, can you give me your child's name, please?
010.
Oh, you give me the index number. 010
36
36
16 044
044. And can I repeat it for you, please?
Yes.
010 36 16 044.
Yes.
And the name is?
Beatrice Clementina.
Good. I have your number. We're going to work on the request by Beatrice, yourself or Beatrice Clementina, and my staff will get back to you. As soon as they do it for me, I'll love to call you back and speak with you.
And we are singing Ebeshia. Yeah, the education 50 years senior, one more Asia now wedding come safety of water. And I say yensu yenum kwanya ye first west no. UN 2023 water conference one more echo ni nyina no showered water day no akanifo ahodo nyina wo wiase ye hia na yahwe aboye nsuo ho ban so na wonom no se te sei ekọ nupadua no ade na eye na ba bia nsuo ne da no eya na senye emu nkyire mu Adom kase etoso
yare wom yare enim ena borehole so obi pese wo ye borehole a wo ye wi anya wo ye wi na wonom so ye borehole na hwehwe nsuo num ebi ana esuboni bi akwa asase na ase akose no ba bi ohokra na esiefunu na wonim na obi akotu borehole ho mre bi atwam na esiefunu we nyina ese ehwem hu se nsuo na wanya no eye papa ye krogen ansana wanom
wasan kato aso say say this is say nsuo ahodo wo man mu area no eyade a ha dwene pa
nsuo ho yedin ema yen yesu anu yetimi no nsuo bia nne this auto sachet water anase bottle water nti say ya man nsuo ho asem na ehia yen pa ebetumi ahadwen bebre.
Samuel Amwako Mensa water and sanitation specialist ewo UNICEF ono nso ekere mfasodie bi a sanhye mu a wo beye no kebe omufu nyina ebenya afiri mu
na yade a eman akwanya bi se nsema hawen nsu ene sanitation ho yibehia nkofo ehia a partners nti ye ho akwanya yebedi nkomo ewo senia yenso yebetumi esua efi amanman bi ho
yare wom
isnimu be afi ene fanie wo mo ambulance ne de enye adwuma esan ka 5000 a wo mo adi enti e wo so mo siesie ka no na ne nyame ayadom wode hie bi ahwe ne sa no se da bi eto no ankasa akotua se be ya ambulance ne betumi aye na adwuma ye de ba ho adom kase eto so
nam so de betu menim but in fact na ade na ye me ya say aban ade pa ye carry sika koto na just 5000 na ade ne kudi baby fat ema eha me kakra nti me yan nti me yese metu anamo ampa me ma PRO of Accra Giant ekoshe na okoshe ne ne chese no kre
opani power no ene hwe ambulance service so no so e wo mansini mu so e wa ha ye ne opani eni nkomo nyemisa opani se
omutu anamo ma omuyi PRO ama ne kohwe se ya mpase ambulance na si workshop ehonuma na omuyi 5000 no di ma mechanic for ne se omu emphasis enti ene ye gina ha na asida eni kabia na ye de ma AGCU oni na adwuma ye fo nyina
ye bisa timemfo yi so se ambulance ye musisi na wo so no eto etwa ana
mpasa so pa mai na chama de yamisira no me de na pensa nka ombe ye mpikura menka ntoma no nso mi se na nje police so ho so bisa
ambulance na moya ni de emfaso bebele abaso amaye ye de nyame ase se mo aboa ya ma chama etimi ya ambulance na maye
ye da chairman agency so ye da na se papa pa nyame onhira no na dwuma wo ye ene mantam ha so mo a wo bo amanfo ye da na se
NDC mrashe bedwafo se ne de mampani adodan kwakufo ado empanifo bi a wabo wondin so wo mra na mamuo mu no wonye won ntumu ne anase chena adom kase etwaso.
Tax bills, the minister is making some proposals and the revenue that they are expected to generate from those tax handles. And it's a precondition for the IMF deal. So we are waiting to see the debate on the floor because members may say a whole lot of things. Either they are going to reject it or accept everything as presented by the minister. So we are waiting to read the content of the committee's report so that we'll take it from there.
Enwechi oside to just say Ghana mampenyi na nadan kwa kufuado aswafo wobo wo mu dia sesei wakototo wano no e wo sen kamra hyebedwafo eje wo mu etum nanso ontimi ensi se agina ye no a NDC amanyoko no dia to wo mra hyebedwafo enim se enyade wo se wokoto aba eje sa aswafo mampenyi ede wo mu eba ye no etum.
How sure can you be that what happened the last time will not happen when some of your because this is a secret vote? Can there be any mechanism properly so called to be able to whip all MPs in line to do the same thing when people go into the secret box and can do what they want?
Well, the party has made it very clear, and I believe that as members of the NDC, members of parliament, we have also learnt our lessons from previous occurrences. I know many Ghanaians and our rank and file expressed disquiet. Many of them were truly disappointed in us for what happened. So for us as members of parliament, I would say this also gives us an opportunity to redeem ourselves. So that cause for redemption has presented itself. If you combine that with the fact that we are under a 3-line whip, I think that I am confident enough to say that what the party has asked us to do, we will do.
NDC amanyoko no mu pani ba ko unity se mampani de bia NDC mu no bepribi NS kwaku kobia amenam so amenra wode ne nkrata akwa akoma mpanifo so wo monye se nani abre so tu franka ema NDC.
Jemtinani a wada NDC amanyɔkuo no elections committee ano kakra esuama ehye esi ahenefo ne nyina abo se wɔnom abedwakuo no ebɛhwɛ ama periperiyo ayɛ adwuma ɛwɔ abato a ɛbɛba so ni mu na wɔhyɛ wɔnom se wɔnom so wɔnto abomu no wɔnhwɛ na enidie emra wɔnom kasaye mu.
Rest assured that as far as we are concerned, you have filed as a candidate, as an aspirant, strictly speaking. And then now you are going to go for vetting. The vetting committee will look at your papers, whether everything is in order. And then they will examine the candidate himself, Comrade Ernest Kweku Kovia, if he is suitable to be president of Ghana. I'm not talking in terms of candidate of the NDC. You heard me. If he is suitable to what? Yes. And then if he qualifies, he takes part in the elections that we hold on 13th May.
Nenye campaign coordinator de makane mampeni John Dramani Mahama wo 2024 campaign team no Professor Joshua Labi was Ghana for soon Fred John Mahama so womra emeji won free nkwasum yimo enu nti no oba bie mu nso dia ene ehwamo de oni Ghana ni bia bie ye hianza mudi kokomoti no power no bema no adom kase etwaso.
And I know, together with us, we shall go around the depth and breadth of this country to talk to our people. Even with 51%, we are small. 60%, we are small. 70%, we are small. 80%, 90%, we are small. But we want 99.999%. To send a strong signal to our both opponents that our party is firmly united behind His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
And watching a church of penny the man in this amanyoku fifi kwete ya ono nso eje nkrata yi edigu ho ekire se amanyoku ani so ade hunu pa ne se afimpi mienu ne adwunu na yabato no obetumi edi nkunim na amemo bone ya yekoso no obetumi apam MPP amanyoku na free ho na afi omo abetoto nuama no nti eno na obi anfansha na adwunu mu abra omo bonto yi se de be ya won kaka se twetwe bi mfantwi wo honemu obetena somdwe mu na abato na kire no obeya dwumaden de abo amanyoku
and being able today to submit all of them in good time. We want to give you an assurance that we are determined as a party to provide a very level playing field for all the contestants and ensure that at the end of the day, whoever emerges represents the true aspiration of the millions of our supporters. We believe that so far the campaigning has been very well. Our guidelines have been pretty much adhered to. And we expect that will continue between now all the way to May 13th.
Mampani Adodanko Akufo-Addo agi nipa miensa bi atomu nsa wonko Electoral Commission wonko bo won na wonye wadwuma Adom TV kase etwaso.
I have said it before and I will repeat it. Elections are about those who cast the vote, not those who count, not those who supervise, not those who transmit, and not those who declare. The three persons I have sworn in a few moments ago as members of the Electoral Commission are persons I am confident will bring integrity, professionalism, and independence and fairness of mind to the discharge of their duties. Remember that now, more than ever, every single decision you take will be scrutinized to the letter. That, however, should not scare you, and indeed, let no one try to cower you into submission. On the contrary, let this expectation of the Ghanaian people spur you on to great heights, and above all, work so that the will of the Ghanaian people is upheld.